Talaso Strunjan is located on the Slovenian coast, in the heart of the regional park, where for thousands of years the traditional way of producing salt is in use. In Strunjan, peace and welfare are closely related. Therefore, our visitors report that their life strength is returning to them. Talaso Strunjan offers a stay in the Hotel Svoboda and Park, which have 4 stars, in the outhouses of Villa Park and the Hotel Laguna, both with 3 stars. The rooms in all hotels are air-conditioned and have the whole standard equipment, including satellite channels, minibar and bath. Rooms superior have also a view over the unique landscape of the Strunjan pans. Terme Talaso Strunjan has its own sea beach with a blue flag, the sign of ecological integrity. Outdoor pools are filled with seawater and heated to 28 degrees Celsius. In the indoor pools, the water is warmed to 32 degrees Celsius, which enables bathing throughout the whole year. Offered are also massage and baby pools filled with seawater. The wellness program is consisting of the sauna world in Istrian stone, where guests may try the Finnish, Turkish, infrared, aroma and the salt sauna, in which the wall of the Himalayan salt enriches the air with a high amount of aerosols that have a positive impact on the airways. Effective treatment of pulmonary and rheumatic diseases is provided by an exceptional climate, marine agents and an experienced team of professionals. There are specialist clinics, rehabilitation programs which significantly improve the health status and help to recover work abilities. Meals prepared by our chefs have a special flavor. Each of them is hiding a piece of the Mediterranean. The diet is very rich in unsaturated fats, fiber, flavonoids, vitamins and minerals that have a positive effect on our health and well-being. We offer saltwater fish, vegetables, fruits, olive oil and red wine. A wonderful implementation of business meetings and conferences is enabled by the 2 halls of Hotel Svoboda on 150 square meters for 20 to 80 participants, and the hall in Hotel Laguna, which has a space for 25 to 60 participants. Part of the efficient execution of seminars is also the beautiful environment and high-quality equipment. In the park, the green of the beautifully scented coastal garden, playgrounds for basketball, table tennis, mini-golf are provided, as well as a playground for children and 5 sand tennis courts. Talaso Strunjan is a wonderful starting point to visit Piran, the salt pans in Secholia, one of the oldest Istrian villages, Krkauče, the church Sveta Trojica in Hrastovlje, and others.